The origin of brain rot. Once upon a time, there was a group of 7 children. Tralalero, tralala, lirili, larila, chimpanzini, bananini, bobrito, bandito, truly mero, truly china, and the 2 famous brothers, Bombardino, Crocodilo, and Bombini, Gustini. All of them are the result of cruel human experiments. They had no choice but to endure the suffering. As they grew up, the famous image of Agent 5.5 was born. From that moment forward, each followed their own path, though their motives differed. Some set out to help humanity progress, while others were driven by vengeance, determined to bring about its destruction. And now, there is only one being left who can save humanity. Tung 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 Sahur from the Wooden Planet.